Jason, it's Moses.
Like the real Moses?
No, Jonathan, why are the lights off in here? And why is it so smoky?
I was just trying to set the mood. I turned the lights off and put on a fragrant candle. I thought it was nice. What are you doing here, man?
Jason, you're better than this.
Better than what?
Than this. This is terrible. It's ugly.
Yeah, you're right. It is pretty ugly, huh?
Yeah.
What was I thinking? It's stupid. What should we do with it?
Let's blow it up.
Boom.
Three, two, one. Well, guys, we did it. We found the one and only good use for a river table. We literally just spent about, 45 minutes to an hour combing the area, trying to find every little scrap, and this is all that was left of that thing.
It obliterated it.
That's what 26 pounds of explosives will do. So, if you're gonna build a river table, I suggest blowing it up.